gotta find my way to you.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a wash and go, as you can tell from the thumbnail. Now this is my first time ever doing a wash and go on my hair, so hopefully it turns out the way I want. Now I already pre-parted my hair in 4 sections, only because it's easier to work with, and I also want to make sure that I really work these products in. So now I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle just to redamp my hair, and I really want to make sure my hair is nice and wet for this hairstyle. Now we'll be using Next of Us leave-in conditioner for low porosity hair. And before I start any hairstyle, I always like to detangle my hair as I go. So now to define my curls, I'm going to go in with the Lottie Body Mousse, one of my favorite products. I use this on my hair all the time, followed by Auntie Jackie's curling gel. So once I have these products worked in my hair really well, I'm just going to twirl the hair around my fingers, hopefully to make these curls pop a little more. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think about this hairstyle, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.